Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file, and of course this is a picture of a picture, but this gold fringe, he's curious. Anyway, he asked my opinion. One, you would just have to run it. But on a plaque this nice, I mean, this is some nice artwork, good, crisp, clean, and meant to be nice. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 15 inches, and I'm going to get that fringe out of the way, and then that way I can hold down the shift key and hit my rectangle tool and made a box, but that'll work. And then I can left click, right click, and that way I've got the shape of that. I don't know for the video, I'll take the time to figure it out, but I will take your parallel dimension tool and make it 5/8 of an inch smaller. So the best thing to do would be to go to Effects and contour to the inside one time, 0.58. Then you've got another line and make it red. And then I would move my frame out of the way and actually just move that out of the way and then put this back on top. Then I would make this outline black, but more than a hairline. And this is just my suggestion. I was using somebody else's. So make it 500 or half a point in black. And then make this one, well, they both are, very good. Then what I would do is because there are two rectangles, I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And then I'm going to left click, right click, and I've got a hairline, so I'm going to put it back to half a point. I don't really know if that is that big a deal, but then I'm going to contour to the inside 200 steps into the center, and put a 0 here and go to the center and 0.001, and then go to a light gray. Contour's too large. Well, 0.001 to the inside, and then do a light gray. Well, because I'm still getting this 0.001 to the center. There we go. And then engrave this. Separately, you're going to get a little curvature, a little hump. I wouldn't use white because the white's not going to completely touch it. But if you would do that on that plaque now, this is going to take a long time. 3D engraving is slow. There's no two ways about it. Other than that, I don't really have a suggestion except for just use a different texture. And there's plenty of textures out there, and I might make a second video on that. But that would really make it stand off because it's going to go deep here, and it's going to have actually a curvature to it. It'd really make it extra special. Hope that helped. Thank you, and watch it.